Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to half swipe on Snapchat. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So, you might be trying to figure out how you can half swipe on Snapchat. Now, you can still do this. It's always funny that you can still do this, and Snapchat hasn't removed this type of feature yet. So to get started, what you're going to want to do is open up your Snapchat application. Open up Snapchat just like this, and you'll come into the main page. Now, what you want to do next is swipe to the chat that you want to go ahead and basically half swipe into. So, you can see we have all of our Snapchats right here. Now, what we want to do is go ahead and find the chat, and we want to be very careful with how we do this. We're basically going to want to grab their Snapchat icon and swipe it to the side at the same time. Don't tap on it. You want to grab their icon and kind of swipe to the side like this at the same time. Now, if you hold it down like this, it's going to give you this prompt. So you don't want to hold it down, and you don't want to swipe all the way either, because it's going to fully open the chat. What you want to do is hold down while swiping. So you want to hold down while swiping like this, and you'll see that you'll start to see all the chats within Snapchat that you basically have. You can get all the way to the side here and get kind of into this preview window, and you'll be able to read their particular Snapchats like this without even having them be notified that you've seen it. So that's basically how you do it. Grab it like this, see their message, and do not let go of it. If you swipe all the way to the end, they're going to see that you've seen it. Once the keyboard pops up, it's basically over. As you can see, now they can see that I've seen the chats. But that's basically how you do it. So that's basically how you can half swipe on Snapchat. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.